This is my sample unit I use for measuring. I don't have the center console that goes around it, which you need to remove. But it should be like screws on the 4 corners, I would guess. Front and back on the sides. And then there may be some hidden under some trim pieces. You just pop them off, pry them off. Just be careful not to damage it, to expose those screws, and then it should lift off. You may need to remove the handle first, which will show. You just slide this down, and there'll be a little metal clip in there. I don't have the clip on my sample because I took it off and haven't put it back on, but there'll be a little metal clip in there. You can just pry it out. Needle nose pliers or a small screwdriver like this. Just try not to lose it because it's small. And then this whole thing should come up. And I've got my sample slider in there. If it's still in there, to get to it, yet on both sides there's these clips here that hold this top piece of plastic on. This piece needs to come off, and so you just kind of pry it up. Some of them are harder than others, but be careful in case it's brittle from age. This one's not wanting to come. There we go. I just had to twist it just slightly, and it just pops up. And you got to do all 4 corners. And there we go. Same thing on the other side. And then this whole thing will come off, and you can see there's a channel that it slides through. It's got the walls, especially on this side you can see it. If I take its slider off, it slides through here. So once you get all the pieces out and cleaned out, just slide it over. Make sure the indicator's on the left. It'll show through the holes here, the orange indicator. And this is a good opportunity. These usually fall off, like my sample here. It falls off, so just make sure it's popped in there good. Maybe put a drop of super glue on both sides, or something to keep it in. And then, but yeah, just center that around the shaft, and then carefully put this back on the same way. Pop it in the same, onto those same clips. This one doesn't want to pop in. And once the console's back on, if it's like my Rogue, if you put the clip on first, it's a little easier. You put that on there, and then you can put the cover back on, and then just reinsert it, and it should just pop in at that point. Just make sure you can slide this a little bit with your fingers to center it, and then it should pop in with the clip in there. And that's it, really. And it should just fine. And you can see the indicator there. Message me if you have any questions.